In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the issue of YouTube not counting your public watch hours. You can see it says I have about 1400 watch hours here, even though I have about 1600 in reality. And the reason it's showing this is because it's 5 days late. But if you want to fix this, let's just say I've been watching my own videos in my own town. One of the first issues is it might not count these time as watch hours if you're actually not using a VPN, because it just will not count it if it thinks it is suspicious. This means including watching your own videos on your own account, or just opening a bunch of tabs. I don't know if you're doing that, but that's just one of the things that I've experienced, that it will remove watch hours or not count them when it comes to this metric. So yeah, I just do recommend using a VPN, and remember it is delayed a few days. But if you actually just want to fix this entirely, I simply just recommend going down here and clicking on the send feedback option in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. When you click on this, we can actually just take a screenshot of my current public watch hours. Click on OK, got it. You can take a multiple screenshot, just capture the screenshot like so. Click on allow. And as you can see, we want to describe our issue with our feedback. In this case, I just wrote YouTube removing public watch hours. I have more than 200 public watch hours on YouTube that they removed. And could you please help me fix this? Now, the reason I'm saying this is because this is the real information. I was looking at my analytics earlier, and from today and yesterday, they removed that many watch hours. Now, whatever it is, you don't have to be exact, but you can just say YouTube removed public watch hours. And you can even highlight this info. I'm just going to make a little box on the watch hours right here, like so. Click on done, and you can see that is the highlight like so, which means that's what they're most likely to see and going to focus on when they actually see this issue. And you can see it even reworded the phrase up here, YouTube removing public watch hours. And once you do that, you can actually just select this box to be emailed for updates so that you can get this issue fixed fast as possible. And once you do that, you simply just click on send in the bottom right corner, and this should fix your issue. It may be a few days. I did this a few days ago and it worked. It took a minute, like 5 days, but it does work. And again, if you're watching your own videos on your own computer in your own region, I just recommend using a VPN, because otherwise it thinks it's suspicious by YouTube. Or if you're using other devices, yeah, just make sure they are actually not logged into the same account so they can count your watch hours. But this should fix your issue, just submitting this error.